45, also just north of the Wajak. This is a very close.
We got a bad one coming at us.
You're watching us from
the way outside.
We definitely want you.
We got a jumper here.
Also, Glenwood at 333. Mom's off.
Look at that storm over here. Look at that.
Right there.
Look at that. Still sunset down there. Look at that jumper here. We got wind gusts right now. Now we don't have. We're supposed to get up to 60 miles per hour gusts, you know.
Yeah, I know.
This is dirty right now. We got. Oh my God, this is a very bad storm right there. Get my add stove. Now that's rotation right there, you know. That storm's coming right at us. This is a severe thunderstorm. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning right now for this area. We usually see my camera can't really see real good. That's because of the sun. That's starting to get covered up so we can see it real good. Now you gotta go anywhere before storm gets here?
I know, I ain't going anywhere, no.
I say before it gets here, it's out here wet.
Yeah.
Look at that storm. It's windy too. That's pretty nasty. Look at that. Look at that storm. That's unbelievable.
Paper stashed anywhere?
We got an unbelievable storm.